Another nice day with my hubby. Punta kami kay mother. Soon we're gonna cut the grasses, guys, sa kanilang garden. We're very late kaya it's 1 o'clock na.
What's very late?
So yun ang mga kids naglalaro kasi ang ganda ng panahon. You're just gonna be cutting a grass, but you look like going a date.
What?
You look like going on a date. Si hubby, guys, is nag-going na ng at garden nila mother. Ito si dad, yung niya, assistant. Tingnan nyo, mag-garden lang. Alam nyo guys, napaka-easy lang dito ng garden, pero may nakikita akong mga garden na sobrang haba na. Mabilis lang kasi unique. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas na maghawa kagkuan, buyo. Dito i-drive mo lang tapos. Ating pwesto guys, dito tayo sa likod. You earned the vlog. Gusto ko yung ganyang flower kasi hindi siya yung hindi ba na cut yung ba tawag doon? John gani igunting para maging balance. This one. Kailangan siya igupit ba? Kaso hindi man natin. Sabihin ko mamaya sila. Pero ayaw yata nila gupitan to Ganda ng panahon. Summer na talaga dito sa UK. Wow, it's very nice now.
Yeah, that should be it. Sure.
Good job, my darling. Good job. Nice now. Just need this grass like that. Come on, my darling. Andito na kami sa kabila, guys, sa likod. Yeah. Medyas tayo. Ganito yung ating view today. Grabe, easy lang. Ay. Kami ni mother kay mga kuan.
Don't you practice for one?
Practice pa more. We're doing a hard work. We're having snack. Yes. I don't know if it's nice. He didn't try it yet. Mag-snack ng mga girls. Sila kay busy pa.
Did you empty that? Yeah. Are you doing this one?
You can have one when you finish.
Come on.
Why you both sat there eating? I saw it.
We're doing hard work. That's why we're having snack.
After you're doing the work.
Come on, have a bite. Are you jealous?
You can have one when you finish. This is good practice for when you're pushing pram.
Actually, be careful when it's on the beam on that little setting.
Hi.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
It does.
It's good now.
Just want to. What's in that,
Never got more.
Ice cream na yarn. Is it yummy?
Do you want another one?
No,
Well, which one that's enough.
that's nice.
Come on, drink your Vimto.
It's a nice day sitting down here with the O'Briens. You like the view? It's nice view. Sunny guys, sunny. Tapos the plane entertain. Plane, a lot of plane. Cross there. Kasi malapit lang kami sa Manchester guys. Manchester Airport. Meron dyan. Meron din doon plane. It's like a traffic as well in the clouds, you know. Traffic of the plane. Like a road. Because all was like going there, and then earlier that was just passing there, and then another one crossing. And then here, there's one there. It's very fast, mga boy.
Yeah. That's
Yan guys. Tapos may mga 1 minute meron naman dadaan. May malaking plane dumaan. Where is it? Where is it? Ayun guys, ayun.
Have you got it?
Ayan. Yes, I see it. It's there. And then, saan yung maingay? I thought it's there to seagull. Kakarating lang namin guys at meron kaming hapunan na nisyon mamaya. Binibigay ni Mother Earth. Chili con carne. Tagal ko na to hindi nakakain. Naghapon nag-ano kami ng Taco Bell. Masarap. Looking forward with that. Look yummy. So ayan yung hapunan namin ni Sean. Together with rice. Ano ba yan? Ayan yung aming hapunan. Sarap siya, gat. Ano yung amoy? Namiss ko na kumain ng ganito. Tapos nagluto ako ng kanin. Luto na yung aming kanin. Pero mamaya pa kami kumain kasi ano pa, sobrang early pa. Tapos meron dito naglalaro. Sobrang serious naman ng face na to. Ayaw magpa-disturbo. Basta games na talaga yung mukha na yan. Ayaw na magpa-disturbo. Shhh! Stop banging.
Stop.
Ayaw talaga niya magpa-disturbo pag nag-games yan eh. Sobrang ganda ng ano dito guys. Panahon as in. Tingin, nakabra lang ako dito. Para sa kilikili ang itim. Okay guys, so that is one for now kasi marami pa akong gagawin dito and thank you for watching. Bye! Love! Bye! Look at this. Bye!